Sufyan. The course objective, Sufyan, I think you continue with.
I'll talk about it. Bon, look at course objective. اللي كنشوفوا بيان that I highlighted in red هي we want to الكورس تاعنا is 100% application oriented. And this is something which actually lack in the Algerian education system, c'est que on va être 100% pratique, surtout for data science course. Ça sera 8 semaines de leçons pratique, من A à Z. Donc that's the thing. Donc ça sera 100% practical. Another thing is we're gonna touch multiple aspects of data science. I can go to our course being data flavored. A flavor, it means like you're gonna really cover نشوفوا plusieurs aspects, plusieurs thèmes على data science. Donc نشوفوا في ال week objectives and week content. Par exemple, on va parler non seulement de la présentation for data science, but also data science reporting, then exploratory data analysis, نعرفوا كيف نديروا a good data visualization, and so on and so forth. I will wait until the slide comes باش نعطيكم more technical details. Et en plus de ça, vraiment, comme je tellement ça sera like multiple themes, multiple concepts surrounding the data applications and data analysis. هنشوفوا plusieurs technologies. Parce que guys, if you go now in any job description, لازم لا polyvalence. لازم لك مثلا ما يبقاش يقول لك okay, you know Python وخلاص. يقول لك Python and NumPy, Pandas, Data Studio, data visualization, Streamlit for data application, and also data scrapping. هذه بكل لازم. بركا على هذيك we're in a challenging world, in a challenging century. لازم لا polyvalence, لازم لا multidisciplinarité, لازم لا multi-library knowledge. على هذيك اللي هنا في الكور تاعنا ça sera vraiment beaucoup de librairies, beaucoup de technologies باش vraiment تكونوا ready for the job market, for the data science job market. And we're not going to teach you like something like one technology and that's it, because we know we want to prepare for the future. That's the main aim of the course. Yeah.
شكرا سفيان.
And as a follow-up درك شكرا أستاذ على السلايد. So مثلا as a follow-up حبيت درك نحكي لكم شوية على the content. So دابا شوفوا the number of technologies we're going to cover during the 8 weeks. So first of all, the 2 first weeks is going to be more about presentation skills and soft skills. parce que كاين حاجة c'est que as a data analyst you're going to talk with business people, you're going to talk with colleagues, with advisors. وهذا على ذلك before covering the technical lingo, the technical skills, the technical language, ماذا بينا خلينا تاني نعلموكم comment how to present well, how to present in a confident way, how to modulate your voice, how to transmit your message, transmit the knowledge you extracted from the data. So in the first week, it's going to be oral presentation skills. Second week, scientific reporting, لذلك. So we're going to cover oral presentation plus written presentation. Week 3, اللي هنا ندخلوا like really pure programming. ونشوفوا data visualization, but it's going to be super detailed data visualization. So we're going to cover 2 main libraries for Python. En plus de ça, we're going to see both static and dynamic visualization with multiple use cases. Donc نعطيكم par exemple use case وكيف نابليكيو. use case ثاني واش نابليكيو في data visualization هذه. في week 4 اللي هنا حنستعملوا براسكو شفنا ديجا في les 3 semaines précédentes. اللي هنا non seulement on va bien visualiser, parce qu'on voit les relations بين data, les relations بين features et comment les présenter. بس هذه تاني à travers purely Python, more precisely Pandas. Yeah, that's the week 4. If you can go the next. شكرا. So après ça, donc ok, شفنا comment bien présenter, comment like how to report and write down good highly designed reports. شفنا comment how to visualize in a good way. نعرفوا même the concepts of color coding بالPython and other libraries. دركا كان حاجة فهمنا comment analyser les données. دركا ماذا بينا on collect les données. Parce que data collection is part of the data science. We cannot do, you cannot do data science without the data. اللي أنا حبينا باش نعلمكم encore plus de flexibility كما قلت لكم في course objectives. اللي هنا حنتعلموا حاجة اسمها web scraping. How to automatically collect data from the web. هذه تسخى في الويك 5. في الويك 6 اللي هنا فريمون حاب نعطي لكم حاجه اللي تكونوا I don't want you to only do notebooks or analysis which is already good and already demanding. بس حاب نروحوا towards interactive and dynamic reporting. When it's also like a user level, like really when the user will interact with their product. وهذه تسخى بالdata powered web applications. And week 7 اللي هنا I guess you heard about things like Power BI and Tableau when it comes to data about dashboards. هنتعلموا another powerful tool اسمه Google Data Studio, which released recently a more updated, really powerful tool اسمه Looker اللي حنشوفه في week 7. And week 8, bien sûr, كما تشوفوا, il y aura plusieurs, like multiple stacks of technologies. We're going to concatenate everything into one robust project. وهذه باش جانا لهنا, you're going to release the data sciences beast within your spirit, and you're going to show us your creativity when it comes to applying those skills in one project. Donc voilà, comme tu vois que vraiment, il n'y aura pas que seulement une seule technologie, because like I said, we're going to prepare you for the market already when the market is polyvalent, is multidisciplinary. So vraiment هذوما لل 8 weeks اللي حنشوفوهم بإذن الله عن طريق الكورس Data Science offered by Limitless Learning.
جيد سفيان, يعطيك الصحة. Donc you will have like hands-on coach اللي يكون معكم سفيان, lab and simulation, and then you will work really hands-on. يعني تقدروا تتصلوا كذلك بالناس اللي يخدموا معنا